Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about types of noun. We have already discussed noun in earlier video and link of that video is given in the description of this video. You can click on the given link and learn about noun. Dear friends, इस वीडियो में हम नाउन यानी इसम के अक़साम के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. नाउन यानी इसम को हम ऑलरेडी एक दूसरी वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं और उसी वीडियो का लिंक इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है. आप उसी लिंक पे क्लिक करके नाउन के बारे में सीख सकते हैं. Starting the types of noun. First type of noun is common noun, second is proper noun, third is collective noun, while fourth is abstract noun, fifth is material noun. We will discuss each type of noun in detail, starting from common noun. A name given to every person, thing, or place of the same kind is called as common noun. Examples of common noun include man, woman, army, police, tree, city, village. Remember that common means shared by all. So it is a name given to every person or place or thing. And another clue for understanding and for knowing common noun is that there are different words for common noun in different languages. Common noun is always different in different languages. There are different words for common noun in various languages. For example, tree. Tree is an English word, while for tree, shajar or drakht is used in Urdu for tree. So tree is common noun, and all common nouns have generally different words in different languages. Proper noun. It is opposite of common noun. A name of any particular person, thing or place is called as proper noun. Remember that proper nouns start with capital letter at the beginning. Examples of proper noun include John, Salma, Mercury, London, Peshawar. Now John and Salma are name of particular person. Similarly, Mercury is name of a planet and no other planet having name of Mercury is present, so it is name of particular planet. Similarly, London and Peshawar are names of places, and there are no another city or place having name of London in the world. Similarly, Peshawar is a name of place and it is a proper noun because there is no other city having name of Peshawar in the world. So both London and Peshawar are proper noun. Now coming towards abstract noun. A name of any quality, action or status is called as abstract noun. It is a name having no physical existence, that is, it is name of things which are not concrete. Abstract noun are name of such things that have no physical existence. They are either quality or action or status. Examples of abstract noun include beauty, kindness, love, smile, poverty, childhood. Now here beauty and kindness, these both are quality. So these are names of quality, so these are abstract nouns. Similarly, love, smile, these are names of action. They are not concrete. They are just action. So the both love and smile are abstract noun. Poverty and childhood, these are names of status. So both poverty and childhood are abstract noun. Similarly, names of arts and sciences are abstract nouns such as grammar, such as English, Urdu, chemistry, physics. These are all abstract noun. Now coming towards collective noun, a name of a number or collection of persons or things is called as collective noun. Collective noun is either name of collection or number of persons or things. Examples of collective noun include people, army, crowd, herd, swarm, fleet, dozen, bunch, information. These are all collective nouns because they either represent collection of persons or collection of things or number of things. Material noun. A name of which anything is made is called as material noun. For example, gold, copper, clay, silver. These are all material nouns. Of these, some things are generally made. So this was all about types of noun. In next video we will discuss countable noun and uncountable noun. So by watching next video you will learn about countable noun and uncountable noun. If you have any question regarding types of noun, please feel free to comment. Thank you.